My name is Beauty Manake, the new Assistant Minister of Agricultural Development and Food Security. I've just started, and it's exciting times for me and the administration that we're currently in. Makgowa ka nako go tlhabologileng teng will often say business is actually a way to development. So my whole interest is running this ministry as a commercial entity for people to actually grow. I know that we've done a lot of social initiatives go thusa Batswana gore ba leke gore ba ithuse ka temothuo, and I believe that we've done very well as a government. And now it's about time to ensure that each and every initiative or program that we do is commercially motivated and people are able to graduate and grow out of it. We have different industries within the sector, ya dairy, ya dikgomo, ya merogo, ya maungo, ya di honey tse eleng gore it's beekeeping, mostly ya di notes. So there's a lot of things, small stock production, there's a lot of things within the Ministry of Agriculture. And basically we believe that is the heart of the nation, and it's a green diamond that will never ever get depleted. There's a lot that we envision to do. I'm talking about me and my minister, and me and the minister and the administration that we're currently serving. There's a lot of changes that are going to come within the ministry in regards to how programs have been run, how initiatives have been run, like I've already mentioned. But the most important thing, we are looking for growth of the sector. We are looking for food security for a change so that we go to the next level, and we are driving an export-led business environment. Export-led, we are only focusing on feeding ourselves, but beyond, and that requires better standards, better quality of produce, and also better ways of doing production. Sustainability. Whenever somebody talks sustainability, we are thinking, but there's a lot of meaning when it comes to sustainability. How we grow our crops, how we rear our cattle. Are we looking into the fact that will our kids or the future generation be able to farm on the same land? So sustainability forms a very important part of the administration that we are serving, that things have to be done properly to ensure the next generation farms in the same land and also are awarded the same opportunities that we were awarded. Let me just say that we are going to be very disruptive meaning disruptive innovation, ensuring that we don't leave any stone unturned to achieve what we want to achieve. We want to inspire a lot of creativity amongst our youth to actually go into the agricultural field, not just the primary production as it has always been the case, but to go into secondary production, to go into media, to go into ICT in ways where they could actually do some apps which we could utilize within the sector. There's a lot of opportunity. There's still a lot that we are going to do. We are going to host agribusiness information expos that will enable people to learn and be aware of the different opportunities that are within the sector. And for me and for the ministry, I think it will be exciting times for us to really know the true value of the agriculture in this country.